Hey, it's that time again. That time of the month when we wash our hair together. We have so much to catch up on. A lot has happened since our last wash day date. Well, not really. I mean, I just moved. It was a pain, but I survived. And I'm grateful to be in a new place, and most importantly, a new bathroom that I no longer have to share with my boyfriend. Thank goodness. So, in honor of all of the new things that happened this month, I decided, hey, what the heck? Why not just try some new hair products to top it all off? And also some new hair tools. Wink, wink. I know, like, who am I? So, for today's wash day, I'm going to be trying out, for the first time ever, the Lavender Wash Go 4-step kit from CurlMix. If you've never heard of CurlMix, they are a black-owned beauty brand for curly hair that uses clean ingredients. Of course, you guys know that I love products made with natural and clean ingredients. They're also known for being on Shark Tank. They were also featured on Oprah's favorite holiday list. Like, what? It's pretty cool. So yeah, you guys know I had to try it if Oprah likes it. Their Wash and Go kit comes with 4 products: a shampoo, a conditioner, a moisturizer, and a gel. They also sent me other goodies to try as well. So, you ready? I guess let's get to trying. Subtle lavender scent. I like it. It kind of reminds me of like a baby shampoo, because it's a nice like subtle lavender scent. So this would be really good if you weren't really big on strong scents. It lathered up immediately. The back of the neck, kind of do like really good. It doesn't feel stripped, even though it's a clarifying shampoo. It just feels really soft, really smooth, really nice. Feels clean, but weirdly moisturized. I don't know. It feels very lightweight, which is what their products are. It feels good. So far, it claims to have amazing slip, so putting some more on. So we'll see how the slip is. I'll focus it on the ends, and then as I work my way up, I'll kind of just start finger detangling. But the slip is good. It's definitely there. Because it's lightweight, I obviously want to use more. Yeah, the slip is pretty amazing. Like, it's there. Instantly glides onto your hair. And of course, with finger detangling comes shedding. Very, very easy to detangle my hair. The product is helping. And speaking of detangling, your wishes have been granted. For all of you who have been wanting me to try different detangling tools, They sent this detangling teaser thing, whatever you call it, brush. Okay, we're just gonna, let's see how we gonna do this. So you wanna start from the bottom. Oh, okay, nice. It's just visually pleasing and it's satisfying when you're doing it through your hair because you could just feel it like detangling multiple strands at a time. Oh, okay, it does feel nice. All right, I get what you guys are talking about. This still detangles as well as this, but because this has more bristles and it's brush-like, I guess it detangles faster. But okay, I get it. It is fun to do this. It's really fun. Oh, I do like it. Oh my gosh, I'm spoiled now. Uh-oh. Like how okay, that is pretty satisfying. Wow, one more time, one more time. Okay, that was a little too, wait, hold on. Oh wow. I could do this all day. It feels so, I feel like Rapunzel. Okay, I'm done. I still got a whole bunch of sections. Okay, but my hair is detangled. That was pretty fast, actually. After detangling, I like to go in with a little bit more conditioner and I'm going to re-add some to my ends. I liked that. That was a very easy and quick process. Okay. Now the fun part. Look at me being all excited to do this now, to use this brush. Gosh. I got sucked into it. Why is this so satisfying? And then the conditioner is making my hair so soft and wow, what an experience.
So terrible to my family member. People walking around who are out on bail because they have the money, and some people just end up.
You guys that the products are definitely lightweight, but it still feels moisturizing. So I feel like this will be really good for low porosity hair. Definitely, it says it's good for all hair types, which I'm sure it will be, but definitely low porosity hair, because low porosity hair doesn't need like super heavy products, and low porosity hair is more susceptible to get product overload. I feel like lightweight products work great on my hair already, so just trying these out. I'm really excited to see how well it works on my hair. I'm not gonna even try to use too much. Definitely glide. I just love how well it glides through my hair. It feels so nice. Ooh. Now this is supposed to be their bestseller, top rated. So we're gonna see about that. Wow, these are like so lightweight. Oh my, I've never used a gel that was like this lightweight before. That's crazy. Let's see. Oh my god, the struggle here. Oh. I never scrunched up my curls, but I was watching a video, a CurlMix video, and the girl was scrunching up her curls, so. Wow. That looks pretty good. To be lightweight products, it looks pretty good. Okay. Well, I kind of figured that these products were gonna be good anyways because it's on Oprah's favorites list, like holidays list, which is crazy. So I'm like, yeah, Oprah would not steer me wrong, okay? I'm trusting you, Oprah. I'm trusting you. Lightweight products giving me thick moisture. Seriously though. Do the scrunchie method. I don't know if that's working for me. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so good. What the? Wow. That's pretty good. I don't know if this is gonna be controversial, but my hair feels and smells like a baby bottom. So far, so good, but we'll see. Hey, so I changed into my onesie. For the ones who've been watching me for a long time, you will recognize this onesie. It is that time of the year, and I'm so excited. It's been an hour since I did my hair, and I kind of just wanted to show you guys my hair, one, in natural lighting. So I have no ring light, no fancy lighting. I'm literally just in front of a window, and I mean, everything that you guys saw previously is there. If not, it's looking even more poppin'. Like, the natural lighting is just like hitting. I wanted to show you how realistically healthy and amazing my hair looks without any extra like lighting and stuff like that to enhance it. I would say my hair is like 75% dry. Thankfully it is drying quicker because I did use lightweight products, which is a benefit of using lightweight products. Your hair dries a lot faster. I'll see you later on tonight when my hair is fully dry. I tried to get a little dressed up for the celebration of my hair because I love it. Perfect if you're looking for shine, definition, volume, moisture, all that good stuff, but lightweight without weighing down your hair. If you're a fan of volume, then let me tell you right here, this is gonna give you all the volume that your hair needs, girl. But yeah, like I love it. Like, look at that volume. And this is just day 1 here, so I can just imagine what day 2, 3, 4, and so on is gonna look like. I didn't want to do much to my hair because I will have a video showing a week in my hair and me styling this wash and go. But let me know, was this the best wash and go? I would have to say this definitely makes it to my top 5 of best wash and goes. If you are still watching, today's your lucky day because I have a giveaway. Obviously, I wanted to partner with CurlMix to get you guys the opportunity to win some goodies. Let's do this. If you would like to enter the giveaway, let me know what is your favorite Thanksgiving dish. What do you like to have for Thanksgiving? And then after you do that, head to the description box below to do the other rest of the stuff to enter. But I wanted to save something in the video just so I know who watched until the end of the video, because you guys deserve the giveaway the most because you're taking the time to watch this full video. If you would like to purchase these products, this would definitely be a great gift for like the holidays or whatever. It comes in like the beautiful package I just showed you guys, so 10 out of 10 will recommend. Me and Oprah, whose side you on, who team you on. I'm just kidding. Thank you, CurlMix, for these amazing products.